I do remember the crackling, like breaking up. So with this connection I've had a couple of glitches, like one crack every 2 minutes, but it's very minuscule. It's nothing compared to the video you sent. In the video you sent, they were all the time.
Yeah.
But they were going on and going on and going on.
Yeah.
So the ones I've heard is very easily explained by a temporary drop in the bandwidth. Internet services are not completely stable all the time. So, and since using Source Connect now, which is web-based, it's more sensitive to drops in the bandwidth.
What are some of the solutions for dropping the risk of this? Is it maybe here, dropping this down?
Well, the quality, to be honest, sound transmission over the internet is not very heavy. So if you can watch 1080p YouTube video, you should be fine. I mean, watching video online is far more heavy than sending audio.
Yep.
But maybe we can just go ahead and can you open a new tab in Chrome and type fast.com. There you go. Yeah. And just let it run. And after it's done, click more info. Show more info. Yeah. I mean, I know for sure that Singapore has one of the best internet infrastructures in the world. So I wouldn't double guess the speeds that you have here.
Yeah.
But is the other party on a good internet connection or something? Do you know that?
I believe so. So wait, one of the main reasons is internet speed.
Yes, and stability as well. So if you're using Wi-Fi,
what's a bad internet speed?
I would say 10 megabits, but you have 830 up, down, and you have 420 down. Yeah, for example, right now I got some glitches from you, and I have similar speeds like you have. I have 1,000 down and 300 up. So we are pretty much on the same speeds. But I'm in Spain and you're in Singapore, and a lot of things can happen in between. The best improvement would be to get Source Connect standard, at least, because it's not web-based.
Is that a one higher than Pro?
No, you're using Source Nexus Pro. Source Nexus is the sound driver to allow you to communicate between Logic and Source Connect standard and Source Connect now.